Rogelio Cantos, sir. And my spiritual advisor to be Police Inspector Rogelio Baltasar, sir. And in CRTC faculty, staff, professor, colleagues, and friends, chairman. To the member of PSS LC classes 2018-01 to 02, and to PSGLC classes 2018-01 to 08, and my batchmate, batch 96, PSBRC class 2017-04. Good morning, Chairman. Marks another milestone in our professional career as police officer. We were taught with requisite knowledge, skills and values, being elected for a position as president in a duty that demands more sacrifice, foresight, and lots of initiative. Only by exhibiting these characters that one can demand responsibility from his followers. We have the ability to recognize from his followers. We have the ability to recognize through leadership. Leaders emerge from always return to the genuine and persisting needs to their followers. Truly great and creative leaders to something more such creative. Leader neither simply born nor made. They arise out of the most complex psychological and social influence in the family, school, and work group. Great leadership arises out of great conflicts. As line goes, action without vision is only passing time. Vision without action is merely daydreaming. But vision, action can change the world. We need to create a vision whereby our names become synonymous with excellence, innovation, honor, integrity, and outstanding quality service. We need to promise less than deliver more. We will keep our vision simple yet goal-focused. Then we will have turn defining into a stepping stone, one which we will use to reach even greater heights, equipped with knowledge in your field, leadership skills, and with servant heart. Graduates of National Capital Region Training Center are called to make the world a better place. With God's guidance, we believe in police matter to serve and protect our motherland. Good day. Mabuhay mga pulis. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, sir.